Hey guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. Let's take a close look at the Nike Dunk High Fragment collab, Beijing. A little late on this one, but this is the story of my sneaker life. This was re-released from 2010, seems to be the trend for me, getting the chance to catch up on old releases. I'm not complaining though, I think it's great to have a chance to cop these old releases. The original release had a mismatched pair though, which is way cooler. I wonder why they didn't do that for this one. Also, the laces on those old ones looks like it's waxed, which I'll definitely do for my pair. They should release another pair with the purple straps. I'll definitely pick that up to have two mismatched pairs. I can't believe that some people are complaining about the quality on this. I mean, it's not Air Jordan 1 SBB leather, but if you put this side by side with the Panda Dunks or similar Dunk releases, this is definitely a cut above. Those recently released overhyped Dunks have plastic-like quality on their leather. I liked these when it was first launched, but caught else on them, so I sat on it and waited how its price is going to perform. Luckily, I got a cheap bid in to be accepted on Novelship. If you like the recently released Dunk Highs with basic colors, definitely get these, or if you had to choose, go for this one. In person and in hand, the quality and color blocking on these is amazing. If you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.